Hello, hello, hello. Doc Bryce here. Yan, a 70.3 half Ironman. Yung swim ko, 55 minutes and 57 seconds. Grabe yung current. Napakatindi. And bike ride of 90 kilometer. Did it 3 hours and 2 minutes. Wow. Napakatindi. Napakainit. Then the half marathon, 21.1 kilometer run. Did it a 2 hours and 23 minutes. A total of 6 hours 30 minutes. Fasted state. Wala lang. Salt stick, electrolytes, water, buhos-buhos. Kaya ni Doc Bry, makakaya nyo. Siyempre, mag-start tayo sa umpisa. Huwag kayo magre-race kung first time. Kailangan sa training nyo gagawin ko ang fastest day. Those who finish the half Ironman, congratulations. Be the best version of yourself. Adapt and evolve. Bye!